The ability to focus is like a mental muscle. The more we work it out, the stronger it becomes. Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to be talking about how to stay focused in class. Now I would like to share with you a few psychological tips that will help you be more attentive during your lectures in order for you to get more out of them, and let's face it, so you don't fall asleep. A good trick to be more focused in class is to be goal-oriented or to have a mental aim. Now, very few students go into their courses with a goal in mind. They're just there for the sake of being there. Get into the habit of having a clear outcome in mind before you step foot in your class. FYI, this little trick also works wonders when you are prepping to go in to have a difficult conversation. So when you're negotiating for a salary raise. Bottom line, before going in, ask yourself, what do you want to get out of this? For example, at the end of this lecture, I want to fully understand cell division. Or at the end of this presentation, I want to have it written in front of me the 5 most important things that were said during said presentation. This conscious, critical listening helps your mind stay alert and focused because it has a goal in mind, because it is hunting for something specific, as opposed to passively just listen to someone blabber. Mindfulness is the psychological process of bringing one's attention to experiences occurring in the present moment. Usually, what breaks your focus during a lecture is either external distractions, so hearing someone talking in the hallway, or internal distractions like ruminations and being stressed out. A little trick I use to stay mindful and present during class is to have a to-do list for the day that I review before the lecture begins, just to tell myself, right now, the item on my list is attend lecture. I will not look at, think about, or freak out over any other items on my list until this particular one is ticked off at the end of the presentation. Science is showing more and more evidence on the benefits of working out in the morning before going to work, or in our case, before going to school. Not only does it increase brain activity, keeping you focused for up to 3 hours, but it also wakes up your mind better than coffee, helps with impulse control, gives you more energy throughout the day, and also enhances mood. Another little thing I found very interesting, and I thought a few of you might as well, is that regular exercise releases endorphins and feel-good hormones like serotonin. Research has shown that depressed adults who exercise regularly can improve their symptoms of depression, as well as Zoloft, aka sertraline. If this is something that you would like to know more of, I have linked the article that I read on this topic down below, so definitely check it out. Tell me, can you focus after a breakup? Can you pay attention in class when you are angry, sad, or stressed out? The answer is no. Our emotions have a significant impact on our ability to concentrate. Emotional regulation is defined as the process of controlling one's emotions, keeping them in balance and away from extremes. Like I mentioned before, emotions are internal distractors. And so if you want to improve your focus during your lectures, you need to keep your emotions at the door. You can do this by first being in tune with your emotions and acknowledging the fact that you are feeling sad or angry or frustrated or stressed out before stepping into class. A little trick I tested out, and it actually works, is to simply take a blank piece of paper, quickly jot down in bullet point form all the emotions you are feeling and that are bubbling up inside of you before class starts, folding that little paper, putting it in your pocket, and telling yourself, I'll deal with you later. Simple, yes. Effective, hells yes. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to me if you like what you see, because I post new videos every Thursday and Sunday. Bye guys!